Today in this video, I'll be showing you how to create the magic ring. I'll show two of my simple ways to achieve it, and you can choose which one suits you better. The first method of the magic ring is where you place the end of the yarn in front of your fingers. Then you'll take the working yarn that's attached to the ball and you'll cross it over the yarn in front, creating an X. Then you'll take your hook, go under the first yarn, and hook the yarn to the left of it and bring it under and through. Then to complete the stitch, you yarn over and pull through. This does not count as the first single crochet. To add a single crochet into this magic ring that we've created, hook into the magic ring, yarn over, pull through, yarn over again, and pull through. From here, you can customize how many single crochet you want in your magic ring. For this tutorial, I'll just put in 6. Once you've made sure you have 6 single crochets, you will then take the end yarn and pull it to close the circle. The second method of creating the magic ring is where you lay the working yarn in front of your fingers. Take hold of the end yarn. Make sure to hold onto the working yarn so it doesn't go anywhere. Wrap the end yarn around your ring and middle finger twice. Take the end yarn and place it together with the working yarn. Hold both yarn together with your thumb and pinky. Take your hook and insert through the double circle. Hook the yarn from the back, pull through, yarn over, and pull through. This does not count as a single crochet. You can then release your fingers from the circle. Pinch the circle with your thumb and middle finger to provide an entrance for your hook. Place your hook through the entrance, yarn over, pull through, yarn over again, and pull through. This is your first single crochet. I'll do 6 as well for this one. Once you've double checked that you have 6 single crochet, pull on the back yarn to close the circle. Then pull on the end yarn, and there you have it. I hope this in-depth tutorial was helpful to anyone who's having trouble with the magic ring, or to new beginners who just want to pick up this fun hobby. Thanks for watching.